If you have a PC and want to make it faster, here are 3 tips to help you boost performance. Press the Windows key plus R on your keyboard, type in the following command, and press OK. In the window that appears, go to the Advanced tab, click on Settings under the Performance, and select Adjust for best performance. This will prioritize speed over visual effects. This second tip will assign more CPU cores to your system. Press the Windows key plus R again, enter this new command, and click OK. In the new window, go to the Boot tab and click on Advanced Options. Check the box for number of processors and select the highest number available to maximize CPU usage. This third tip is essential for improving system performance. Open Settings, go to System, then Display. Scroll down and click on Graphics Settings. Next, click on Change Default Graphics Settings and enable the option. After making these changes, restart your PC for the updates to take effect. Following these steps should help improve your PC's speed and overall performance. PC tips you need to know. Tip 1. On your keyboard, press the Windows button and R. Type shell:*startup and a new empty folder will open. Now, any program you add to this folder will start automatically when your PC turns on. Tip 2. Right-click on your taskbar, then click Task Manager, go to Startup Apps, and then click on all the apps you don't use and hit Disable. This will speed up your PC's booting time. Tip 3. If you click Windows key plus V, you will access a history of recently copied items for quick pasting. You can always come back to clipboard history to see all of them. Tip 4. When you are in a game, open the Task Manager, open Details tab, find your game, right-click on it, go to Set Priority, make sure to choose High to boost your FPS in-game. Make sure to like and follow for more computer tips and tricks.
Windows trick I bet you didn't know. Press the Windows key plus R, then type shell:*apps folder and hit enter. This will open a folder displaying all the installed apps on your PC. From here, you can manage or uninstall the ones you no longer use.
Windows trick I bet you didn't know. Press the Windows key plus R, then type shell:*apps folder. Here you'll find all the installed apps on your PC. Follow for more tips. Want to speed up your PC's boot time instantly? Here's how to clear out startup clutter. Press Ctrl plus Shift plus Escape to open Task Manager. Head over to the Startup tab, then right-click on any apps you don't need at startup and select Disable. This simple tweak will stop unnecessary apps from launching and dramatically speed up your PC's boot-up process. Here's a useful PC tip that you probably didn't know. If you accidentally exit out of a tab that you didn't mean to exit out of, all you have to do is press Ctrl-Shift+T to bring back the closed tab. I hope this helps. Your personal data might be on the dark web right now. Here's how to check. Head to your Google account, tap your profile picture, and navigate to manage your Google account. Under the Security tab, scroll down to enable the dark web report. This feature will show you if your data, such as phone numbers or even your social security number, has been exposed in data breaches. For example, my email has been leaked in 15 data breaches and my password in 10. Tap on any result to see which breaches it was a part of and how to protect yourself. Is your PC acting slow or showing weird errors? Here's a quick fix using just one simple command. Make sure to save this video. You never know when you might need it. Open Command Prompt as an administrator. In the Command Prompt dialog, type this command. Then hit Enter. Now sit back and let it scan your system for any issues. It might take a few minutes, so be patient. Once it's done, you'll see the message Operation Completed Successfully. You can then restart your PC to apply the repairs. And that's it. Your Windows system should be good as new. Don't forget to like and share if this helped. Is your PC acting up or running slowly? Here's a quick way to check for any potential corruption or problems with just one simple command. Make sure to save this video. You never know when you might need it. First, run Command Prompt as an administrator. In the Command Prompt window, type this command. Then hit Enter. Now sit back and let it scan your system for any problems. It might take a few minutes depending on the size of the image and the performance of your system, so be patient. Once it's done, check the message that appears. If it says your system is healthy, great. If it discovers issues, you can run the following command to attempt repairs. Ensure that you have an active internet connection, as the Restore Health option may need to download files from Windows Update. And that's it. Your Windows system is on its way to being healthier. Don't forget to like and share if this helped.